Hi, I'm Nikki, a Redrow technician, and in this film we're going to be looking at everything you need to know about your smoke alarms. Most homes have two smoke alarms, upstairs and downstairs, usually located on the ceiling of the hallway and on the landing outside the bedrooms. Both should be tested regularly, at least once a week. To do this, push and hold the test button in the centre of the unit for 10 seconds and the alarm should sound loudly. It's likely that both alarms in your house are linked, so testing one might trigger the other. The alarms are actually connected to your mains power, which is indicated by the green light. In case of a power cut, there's a backup battery inside the smoke alarm. When this battery becomes low on power, the alarm will sound a regular single beep, letting you know that it needs to be replaced. To replace the battery, first turn off the power at the consumer unit and make sure the green light is off. Then, slide a small screwdriver between the slot and the base. Slightly angle the screwdriver downwards, then slide the alarm away to detach. Replace the 9-volt battery and reattach the alarm. Then turn the power back on and test the alarm as before. Cooking fumes or steam can set the alarm off. To silence the alarm, press the hush button. If you have any further questions, then please contact your local team. Thanks for watching.